always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that they still. Sometimes we put in our cause, but always fully true. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't clear. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. Cause we were together, maybe it is not true. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. And all sweet silence, and as it came together, leaves me crowded up. But I could move a mountain, someone could tell it to. I had only one friend, I wanted to be you. Together, made a dream come true. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. The world understand me, no sweet silence, and helps me feel together, leaves me crowded up. I could move a mountain, someone could move me. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.